Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 3. The length of a notebook, 15 cm, was measured as 16.8 cm. Calculate the percentage error to two significant figures. A. 12%, B. 11%, C. 10.71%, and D. 0.12%. Now, if the original length of the notebook is 15 cm, we can now say that the error is equals to the actual length, the measured length. Error is equals to measured length minus the actual length. Now the measured length is 16.8 centimeter minus the actual length, which is 15 centimeter, and that will give us 1.8 centimeter. Now percentage error is equals to error all over actual length multiplied by 100, and that is equals to 1.8 all over 15 multiplied by 100, and that is equals to 12.00%. So the percentage error is 12.00%, which is option A, to two significant figures. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.